Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. Electronic Data Interchange or EDI refers to the transfer of data from one computer system to another by using standardized messaging formats without human intervention. EDI allows multiple companies to electronically exchange documents. Data can be exchanged via serial links and peer-to-peer networks. However, currently most of the data is exchanged using the internet. The parties or trading partners involved in the exchange are required to follow the same set of rules while sending an EDI document. These rules define where and how the information contained in the document will be found. Electronic Data Interchange. Translation software is used to process the information differently for sent and received messages. The software also checks each step of the exchange process to ensure that the information is sent or received in EDI format. When the translator on the receiving computer reads a document, it identifies where to find information such as the buyer's company name, order number, purchase items and price. This information is then sent to the receiver's order entry system, eliminating the need for manual order entry. EDI can be used for documents such as purchase orders, invoices, shipping notices and commission sales reports, as well as other important or classified information. For example, the Income Tax Department uses EDI to receive data from the tax filer on the income tax website, processes the information and completes the tax return. The receipt of the tax collected is then sent to the filer. Advantages: automates cumbersome processes, saves costs, enables faster handling of data, facilitates enhanced customer interaction. The disadvantages include: requires skilled management, possibility of the data being compromised, and requires high level of data security. The World Wide Web or WWW. The World Wide Web is a system of internet servers that support specially formatted documents. WWW makes it possible to link various files or pages on the internet. The advantages: hypertext helps link documents with each other by using hyperlinks. Content simple to create and easily available. Multimedia, a combination of images, video and audio. Easy to use. Point and click to access information. Cheap. Information can be published at a low cost. Updated. Information can be updated when necessary. Introduction. An Internet protocol or IP address is a unique number assigned to every device in a computer network that communicates with other devices over the Internet. Some of the key features: an IP address comprises 4 numbers separated by a single dot, and each number contains 1 to 3 digits. The numbers can range from 0 to 255. There are no leading zeros in an IP address. Each address defines only one connection on the Internet. Example: 78.125.0.209. Domain name refers to the name used instead of the IP address as an identity on the Internet. Examples: wikipedia.org, about.com or microsoft.com. Geographical domain uses a 2-letter name depending on the country. Example: .in for Indian websites, .uk for United Kingdom websites. Top-level domain indicates the nature of the organization holding the account. For example, .com for business and commercial interests, .edu for universities and educational institutes, .gov for state and federal government, .int for international organizations, and .org for non-profit and other organizations. Uniform Resource Locator. It is the unique address of a web page. For example, https://www.youtube.com or https://www.facebook.com. Each URL consists of 3 parts: protocol part, host part, and document part. Consider the following URL: http://www.myexamnotes.com/index.html. http:// denotes that the browser should make a World Wide Web connection. www.myexamnotes.com denotes the web server location. Index.html denotes the file name of the web page that a user is requesting. A website A website is a location on the internet that comprises related web pages, which include multimedia content. It is generally identified with a common domain name and published on at least one web server. One can access a website via a public internet protocol or IP network, such as the internet, or a private local area network or LAN, using a uniform resource locator URL that identifies the website. The World Wide Web is comprised of all publicly accessible websites. On the other hand, all private websites are generally a part of an intranet. A website must be hosted on a computer system known as a web server or an HTTP server. A web server may also be the software that runs on these systems, which retrieves web pages requested by the website's users. Different types of websites. Static. Static websites are similar to printed brochures handed over to customers in that they are generally displayed the same information to all visitors. A static website provides standard information for an extended period of time. Dynamic website. Dynamic websites display frequent changes automatically. These websites show the current state of dialogue between users, track a changing situation, and provide customized information to individual users. Advantages of a website. Less expensive. Aids in advertising. Convenient for customers. Generates leads. Expands customer base. Provides access to information. Contains links which help in viral marketing. Improved CRM. Increase in sales, and gaining long-term clients. Web designing involves a variety of skills and disciplines used for developing and maintaining websites. Web design encompasses different aspects such as web graphic design, interface design, authoring, including standardized code and proprietary software, user experience design, and search engine optimization. Let's look at the steps in web designing. Step 1. Planning. At this stage, a project summary is developed to cater to clear understanding of your target audience, your goals, any additional features required, and information about the site's direction and the end user's need for it. Further, it also involves planning a site tree, information architecture diagrams, the structure of sections, pages, navigation flow, user interaction elements, and basic content. In addition, it also involves the planning of technological resources, for instance, the type of servers required, any specialized tools needed, software requirements, maintenance plans post-launch, stock photography if required, and any other required fonts. Step 2 is design. Website designers then use tools such as wireframes, which are basic screen blueprints, and mockups, which are highly detailed designs of the website. The mockups are then reviewed for approval by all the involved parties. Step 3 is development. Once the visual features of the website are finalized, the developers start developing the website using the following steps. Building the site structure. Constructing website templates using tools such as HTML or CSS, JavaScript. Importing data. Filing content, and testing all the functionalities of the website, which is essentially a complete review of the website before the launch of its beta version. Step 4. Launching the beta version of the website. The beta version of the website is first available to a limited number of clients and a group of people outside the organization who are responsible for testing the software. If any bugs or issues are identified, the developers make corrections in the codes. Step 5. Final version of the website and the post-launch phase. Once the beta version is finalized, the website is launched for its target audience. After its final launch, the website is continuously updated with content and new designs and features if required. Stay tuned for more videos on marketing. Thank you.